Hello, my name is Mary, and today we're going to take a look at adding a bank account inside of Dynamics 365 Business Central. So we're going to imagine a scenario. You've opened up a new bank account at First Citizens Bank, and you need to go ahead and link that into Business Central. So the first thing that we're actually going to do is go to the chart of accounts, and we're going to need to create a new general ledger account for it. So looking at this number here, sequence here, it looks like we're going to do 10102. So I'll start by here, 10102, okay? And we'll call this one FCB, for First Citizens Bank. We'll call this an assets, sub-account category, cash. Okay, great. General posting type, we don't need that. Okay. Yep, we're good to go. So now we'll go here. It's fine. Okay, great. So from here, what we will do is now we'll go into cash management, cash and bank management, and go to bank account. Now we're ready to actually add the bank. So we'll hit new, and we'll call this, we add in our bank account 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. We're going to call this First Citizens Bank. Great. Okay. So a couple different things. Let me make this bank card a little bit bigger. And you can add in the address down here if you need. And then down here for the bank account posting group, you're going to go ahead and hit this as checking. All right. So now we've added that. Now if we want to add a bank statement, you can link your bank account to an online bank. But because it's in Cronus, it will not let you. But basically all you have to do here is go through there and add in your sign-in information like you would if I went to like firstcitizensbank.com and logged in there. So that is adding a bank account inside of Business Central.